Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. As the leaves begin to change and the weather cools down, it's the perfect time to start thinking about updating your wardrobe with some stylish and sophisticated fall business casual outfits. Whether you are heading to the office, attending a meeting, or working from home, having a few go to fall outfits can help you look polished and professional while still feeling comfortable and confident. Let's dive into some of the must have pieces and outfit ideas for creating the perfect fall business casual wardrobe. A well fitted blazer is a cornerstone of any business casual wardrobe and it is especially perfect for fall. Look for blazers in autumnal colors like deep burgundy, olive green, or classic camel to add a seasonal touch to your outfits. Pair a blazer with tailored trousers or a pencil skirt for a polished look, or dress it down with dark wash jeans for a more relaxed vibe. For an extra touch of style, opt for blazers with subtle patterns like plaid or houndstooth. You can layer a simple blouse or a lightweight sweater underneath for added warmth. Fall is all about layering, and cozy knit sweaters and a must have for the season. A chunky knit sweater can be dressed up with the midi skirt and ankle boots, or worn more casually with dress pants and loafers. Look for sweaters in neutral colors like beige, cream, or grey, or go for a pop of color with rich jewel tones like emerald green or royal blue. A turtleneck sweater is another great option, offering both warmth and a sophisticated silhouette that's perfect for the office. A pair of well tailored trousers is a versatile piece that can be worn in many different ways. For fall, consider opting for trousers in heavier fabrics like wool or tweed to keep warm. High waisted trousers can be paired with a tucked in blouse and a belt to create a flattering and professional look. If you're looking to add some variety to your wardrobe, consider trying trousers in different cuts like wide leg or cropped styles. Pair them with heeled boots or loafers for a chic and comfortable outfit. Midi skirts are a great addition to your fall business casual wardrobe because they offer both style and comfort. Look for skirts in materials like wool or knit, which are perfect for cooler weather. Plaid or houndstooth patterns are particularly popular for fall, adding a touch of classic sophistication to your outfit. Pair a midi skirt with a tucked in blouse or a fitted sweater and finish the look with ankle boots or heels. For added warmth, you can layer with tights or a long coat. A crisp button down shirt is a business casual staple that can be styled in a variety of ways. For fall, consider shirts in rich colors like navy, burgundy, or mustard. You can also experiment with patterns like stripes or check for a bit of visual interest. Button up shirts can be worn under sweaters or blazers for a layered look, or are tucked into high waisted trousers or skirts for a more structured silhouette. Roll up the sleeves for a more relaxed vibe or keep them buttoned for a more formal appearance. Ankle boots are the perfect footwear choice for fall, offering both style and practicality. Opt for leather or sort boots in neutral tones like black, brown, or taupe, which can easily be paired with a variety of outfits. Ankle boots look great with both trousers and skirts, making them a versatile addition to your wardrobe. If you are looking to add a bit of height, go for heeled ankle boots, which can instantly elevate your look. For added comfort, look for boots with cushioned insoles or block heels. A structured handbag is an essential accessory for completing your business casual look. Choose a bag in a classic shape like a tote or satchel and opt for high quality materials like leather or fox leather. Neutral colors like black, brown, or beige are always safe bet, but you can also add a pop of color with the bag in a rich autumnal shade like burgundy or forest green. A structured bag not only adds a polished touch to your outfit but is also practical for carrying all your essentials. As the fall season approaches, it's the perfect time to update your wardrobe with stylish and versatile business casual outfits. By incorporating key pieces like blazers, Tailored trousers, cozy knitwear, and ankle boots. You can create a variety of looks that are both polished and comfortable. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, patterns, and textures to keep your outfit fresh and on trend. Remember, the key to a great business casual outfit is finding the right balance between professionalism and personal style. Thank you so much for joining Luna Fashion and Beauty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion and beauty tips. Happy styling. Bye for now.